to be making a galaxy bottle. Ooh, it's so shiny. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need pink paint, purple paint, blue paint, and dark blue paint. You're going to need 4 containers for the paint. A paintbrush, some water, a bottle, some cotton wool. Oh, it's so soft. A poker to help you mix all of the paint. And all of the glitter. I like to use white, silver, and a little bit of purple. That is all you're going to need. This is how you make your galaxy bottle.
Begin by mixing your 4 different colored paints in your containers. I started with the dark blue. I put about a teaspoon of paint into the container and then mixed it with a 1/4 cup of water. Next, begin by putting some cotton wool into your bottle. Pour your colored water inside. You can put more than 1 color in at a time. Use your poker and poke down your cotton wool. Add some glitter. Make another layer and pour some more watered down paint. Add your glitter and keep going like that until you get right to the top of your bottle. Keep on going. You can do it!
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a lovely time making your galaxy bottle. I'll see you next